Hi everyone, Greg Schlicht, Regional Manager at Maxon's Restorations. Recently I was asked to reflect upon two questions. First of which is, why restoration and what keeps you coming back every day? So for me, it really boils down to one thing, and that's the ability to help people. At the end of the day, the work that we do directly impacts the lives of other people, whether it's in a professional manner, such as a client, or somebody's personal lives. We have the ability to create positive change, leave a situation a whole lot better than where we found it, and help people on both a physical and emotional level. And for me, that's tremendously rewarding. Every job is different. You're constantly learning, and you're making an impact, truly.
What makes me keep coming back to this industry is honestly a combination of two things. Employees, I really truly love my employees, and I want to give them a place that they love to work at and have this pride and this drive to just do amazing things. And then of course the clients. There's something about helping a client through either water damage or the mold or even just reconstruction, getting them back and being that hero. It's really fulfilling. So combination of employees and clients.
To me, it's, in all the positions I've had throughout my almost 16 years now here with ATI, is you see something different every single day. And to me, it's what that challenge brings that is really exciting about this industry. We talk about what is it that keeps me coming back every single day. To me, it's just we're a really fragmented industry right now with the race to consolidation. To me, there's so much to gain in this industry, whether it's through technology or through efficiencies in work and standardizing our operating procedures. To me right now, it's just an extremely exciting time in our industry and the rapid growth that everybody's experiencing and the challenges that those bring. How do you maintain the culture within your business? How do you continue to grow and expand in new geographies, and the constraints? And then obviously with COVID-19 and having to do a lot of it remote via technology. Kind of like what I'm doing here today. To me, all those things are very exciting that you just don't see the same thing day in and day out. And that's what really excites me about this industry is the challenges that those bring to me.
What keeps me coming back to restoration? There's so much versatility in this industry. Anywhere from restoring historical homes, antiques, fine art, to restoring new construction, textiles, rugs, electronics, you name it. There's so much to do in restoration to help your community. And I am here for it. I love the education, I love what I'm learning, and I can't wait to come to work the next day to see something new.
I joined the restoration industry because I feel like it's a great way to give back to families who have just undergone a disaster. What keeps me coming back every day is that I get to use my strengths of being compassionate, creative, and finding simple solutions for everyday problems.
I love the restoration industry because all we do is help people. That's it. It doesn't matter if you're a contractor, an adjuster, a subcontractor. We certainly all have diverse perspectives when it comes to tackling claim settlement in this industry, but we have one shared objective, which is to help people. A property, whether it's a home, an office, commercial building, doesn't matter. It's a place that somebody spends a significant portion of their life and it's been damaged, it's hurt, it's gone. We, in the restoration industry, put those things back together. We get people back to full strength. And in my role, especially as an educator, as a trainer, as a speaker, I get to help the people that are helping the people. I don't interact with policyholders on an everyday basis, but the actions that Actionable Insights takes, our little educational nonprofit company, have a big impact on the contractors and adjusters that are settling claims every day. So it's an incredibly fulfilling experience to go home every day, no matter who you are in this industry, to know that you've done great work. You've been able to help people by doing your job.
I continue to have a career in the restoration industry because I understand the positive impact it has on communities and businesses. I understand that they rely on us during the toughest times to get the job done correctly and accurately. I understand the panic they have when they call and the calm they have after speaking with us. I understand they are uncertain of the unknown as I am aware of the final product and can help provide a picture and understanding. I understand we are the calm during the storm, and I absolutely love providing a peace of mind that everything is going to be okay during these uncertain and trying times.
I chose the restoration industry because I like to help people, and I like to see the process from when something happens tragically to when I walk out the door. Everything's somewhat back to normal. And the reason I keep coming back every day is no day is the same. Everything changes by the minute in this industry, and it keeps me on my toes, and that's something I enjoy.